Well, now we're so full, let's take a rest just like a lazy butterfly. So stretch out your legs and then lay on your back. Spread your wings out wide and take a rest just like a butterfly on a flower. Okay, the wind blows. Whoosh. Raise both your legs up straight. These are your wings. Now swing your hips to the right. Bend your knees and drop your knees to the left. Look at your right fingers and rest your butterfly body. And here comes the wind again. Whoosh, blows your wings up straight, stretching to the sky. And then whoosh, swing your hips to the left. Bend your wings and drop them to the right. Look out behind you. Now, one more time, the wind blows you up straight. Grab onto your knees and rock yourself up to sitting.
The wind blows. Lie on your back. Spread out your hands. Spread out your hands. The butterfly's having a rest. Raise both legs in the air. Right and left. Right and left.
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡